Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syafawani binti Muhammad Kamal. My matric number is DIC 191009. In this video, I would like to share about issues in a mechanism of wealth distribution in Islamic economic. Okay, number one is mechanism of voluntary action. I choose the subtopic about wakaf. Okay, the meaning of wakaf have two, which is number one is literally. The meaning of wakaf in literally is property that is white-haired or endowed. While the meaning of wakaf in technically is a person who hand over his property, which is property that can be used without physical depreciation to the user of the wakaf from the beginning of the endowed property to the end, simply because Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. It cannot be taken back or owned by any individual. Okay, next, the principle of wakaf. Number one is protected existence, safety and sustainability, which is wakaf property has changed its right into the right of Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Therefore, wakaf property cannot be transferred, reduced or lose its benefits. Number two is be utilized as best as possible, which is the purpose of given wakaf property is to benefit others and facilitate others. But if it does not suit to urgent needs of the ummah, and if it is done, it will reduce the value of the usefulness of the wakaf property, then it must be exchanged with something that can provide high benefit to the ummah, so that there is no wastage in endowing it. Okay, number two is issues of the mechanism of voluntary action. In this topic, I have two issues from the wakaf activity. Number one is misuse of wakaf asset. Some of wakaf today is not as it used to be. Prior to establishment of MAIS 1949, most wakaf properties in Selangor had been managed by private or individual trustee. For example, religious person, as we know as imam, without having any proper administration and documentation, or even have been missing, which in some cases had been handed over through verbal declaration. Thus, it is a great challenge for MAIS to identify wakaf properties that has yet to be registered, especially when the board Waqif, which as we know as founder of wakaf, or mutawalis, as we know as manager of a wakaf, deceased. The documentation may be delayed for years, as MAIS face difficulties in ensuring all the family members able to present and make themselves available during the hearing day at the court. There are cases where the family members had misused the wakaf properties for personal interest due to lack of awareness. Wakaf properties may have been neglected as not much attention is paid for it. A routine check is only conducted by MAIS once a year due to high number of wakaf properties managed by them with limited number of staff to monitor frequently. For every district in Selangor, only 2 or 3 officers have been placed monitor the wakaf properties. Therefore, it is not surprisingly if some of wakaf property had been mismanagement and illegal transfer. Okay, the next one is lack of awareness of wakaf among Muslims. In Malaysia, most people believe that wakaf obligation is only for Muslim societies. However, wakaf can also be contributed by non-Muslim as well. This information is not being promoted to society due to lack of awareness of wakaf among them. Other than that, Muslim society still does not realize on the importance of wakaf contributing toward Islamic economics. People might think zakat is only the best instrument in helping needy people and reducing gap between poor and rich people. Okay, from the survey of MAIS in 2008, almost 70% of Muslim in Malaysia do not aware on saham wakaf done by institution. Okay, the next part is mechanism of exchange. In this topic, I choose Bai As-Salam as a subtopic. Okay, the meaning of Bai As-Salam in literally is salam means giving, advance and leaving. The meaning of buy as-salam in technically is a contract in which a seller undertakes to supply specific goods to the buyer at a future date in exchange of an advance price fully paid at the time of a contract. Okay, next is the principle of buy as-salam have three. Number one is it is necessary that the quality of the object of sale is fully specified, leaving no ambiguity which may lead to a dispute. All the possible details in this respect must be expressly mentioned. Also, the exact date and place of delivery must be specified in the contract. Number two is buy as-salam can be affected on those commodities of which only the quality and quantity of which can be specified exactly. The things whose quality or quantity is not determined by specification cannot be sold through the contract of buy as-salam. Number three is it is necessary for the validity of buy as-salam that the buyer pay the price in full to the seller at the time of affecting the sale, because in the absence of full payment by the buyer, it will be tantamount to sale of a them against a them, which is expressly prohibited by the Prophet SAW. Okay, last but not least, issues of the mechanism of voluntary action. I have two issues from the contract buy as-salam. Okay, number one is fixing of the price. In contemporary application, at the time of affecting sale, the buyer pays less than the current market price to the seller. Therefore, the seller is not granted any right to negotiate the price as it suit him or her. This is to taking interest on loan in disguise of compensating for the time value of money. This is a subject of controversy because there is no single Sharia provision that takes a firm stand on giving less than the current market cost for advance payment. Okay, the last one is parallel buy as-salam. The issue of parallel buy as-salam also beg for deeper reflection. The sale of a thing whose price has been paid but which has not come into the possession of the vendor is basically unlawful. In that, done in the case of parallel buy as-salam, it could contribute to the controversy if the vendor of the initial buy as-salam could not pitch as at when promised. The initial buyer will be unable to deliver in the parallel buy as-salam, and as a consequence, it could contribute to dispute and legal. That's all from me. Thank you.